Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to chat with customer service on AliExpress. First, open up the AliExpress app on your phone and tap onto the account tab at the bottom. Next, scroll down and tap on Help Center. And here you will see a lot of options regarding your goods purchase, refund process, and an ordering process. Then tap onto the contact customer service or online service. Here you will chat with the bot first. If it doesn't solve your issue, simply click on chat with representative connected to a live agent. And that's how you chat with the AliExpress customer service. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.